How to fix your account has been locked error on Microsoft accounts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's fix this issue. First, unlock with the security code. Click next on the error prompt. Enter a phone number, any that can receive text and click send code. Enter the security code from the text in the required field and click submit to unlock your account. Method 2. If the error stems from a revoked Office 365 license, uninstall Office from your device. You can use the Microsoft Office installer tool to complete removal. For that, click on Windows search icon at bottom left and search for Microsoft Office 365 or simply Office 365. And then you simply need to right click on it and uninstall it and try signing in again by reinstalling Microsoft 365. After that, if the error occurs with Azure or Microsoft 365, contact your global admin to verify your sign-in permissions and reset your password or status. If you are an admin, contact the Azure Data Protection team or use self-service password reset options. And that's how you fix your account has been locked error on Microsoft accounts. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.